Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this cute fabric mask. This was a mask that was donated by a young lady. She donated them to the hospital, and I used this as a pattern. So she left an opening on the inside so that you can place your filter in. I don't have access to these filters, so I'm going to be using a coffee filter. So this is what I use to mimic my face mask. So I don't have a pattern or anything for you guys, but just be creative. So mine is not as wide as hers. This hers. But mine still opens out and it covers your mouth and your nose. So I'm using the items I already had. I already had a lot of these fabrics because if you don't know, I decorate badge holders, so I use these fabric to decorate badge holders. So I just pull some fabric out of my stash, and I'm going to use ribbons. And so with my ribbon, you just tie it on the side. That way you can get the snug fit that you want. And so I left an opening also where I can put me a little coffee filter in there if I need to. And the purpose of the coffee filter is to further protect you from the virus. This is not 100%. You know, of course, the CDC recommends the N95, but those are, you know, mainly for healthcare workers. And you have to get fitted for the N95. So since every civilian is not going to be fitted for N95, the CDC suggests at least get you a regular mask so you can have some kind of defense against the virus. So that's what I'm going to be doing in this video, just showing you how I took items I already had, did not go out and purchase anything, just shop your stash. And so these are ribbons I already have. I don't have any elastic, so I'm just going to utilize the items I have. So stay tuned to see how I do that. So since I've already made one adult, I'm going to make one more adult, and then I'm going to make one for kids. And the CDC recommends that you do not put a mask on a child that's under the age of 2. And in this video, I'm also going to show you how to wash these masks, because it is recommended that you wash them once they get soiled. Or if you wear them a lot, I will wash it at least once a week. So stay tuned. Start out, the fabric is 7 inches, approximately 7 inches wide and 7 inches long. So that's the fabric I have right here. So I'm going to fold it over. I'm going to leave that fold there. And what I'm going to be used to attach it is my hot glue gun and some bonding tape that I already had. Hold on. Okay, so this is the bonding tape that I have. I picked this up from Hobby Lobby a couple of months ago. So what you do is take the shiny side. This is shiny side. And you sew it down. You iron it down. So I'm going to be securing this side, the bottom, and this side. I'm going to leave this side open. But the first thing I'm going to do is fold it down. I'm going to iron all these edges down so I can have a clean finish. Even though it's a handmade mask, you still want it to look nice. So you see where I folded everything down, and I just went ahead and glued that down. And I glued the ribbon under there. So stay tuned. Oh, one more thing. I am going to have to cut this because I just remembered that I have to glue the ribbon. I glued the ribbon across the top and then across the bottom. And then I put the two fabrics together. I forgot to do it on this one, so I just put that one on the back. But I did do it on this one. Fabric out on my heat press. Since I'm doing so many masks, I'm just going to make a lot of masks and donate them. Well, I'm going to give some to family and friends first, and then I'll start donating. So that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. So this is the easiest way, so I can do 2 masks at a time. So I need to go in and fold all the edges down and iron those down. So I'm thinking I might just pin them down and just use the heat press, because that's going to be a lot of ironing. So stay tuned. Okay, so what I have done is folded the edges in and put them together in right sides together. Did the same thing over here, and I'm just gonna do a little heat press on them just to secure the crease. This just helped because I'm doing more than one, but at some point I am gonna have to pull the iron out, but this will help a little bit. So they are secure. Got to redo that one. I'll just do that one with the iron. So I'm gonna fold all these edges around and I'll be back. Iron to help create my creases. So I got them all creased and I'm gonna press them down. And I have lined the fabric up to make sure both sides fit. Both sides are even, rather. So I know this is a little time consuming, but your health is worth every minute. So we in social isolation, so what else better do you have to do? Try to make you some masks. Start on it, get tired, stop and come back. So I got my creases. So now get ready to bond them using this bonding tape. And put the two sides together. You see that you see that shiny side? Anyway, this is the paper side. You put it face down on the fabric when you get ready to iron it. Ahead and laid the ribbon across the bottom, under the fold, and under the fold at the top. And I got some bun on the side, bottom, side. Because remember, we're going to leave this part open at the top so that you can slide your filter in. So I'll just hot glue that fabric and ribbon down right inside of there. So I'm going to iron this, and I'll be back. So got it ironed down, so I'll take the paper off and I'll leave a sticky film. I'm not sure if you can see that. Oh, sorry. I got my top part open. I'm gonna glue this down. So I'm gonna do that now. Glue this down and I'll be back. Then I got the ribbon glued down, next side glued down. So in order for you to get a better coverage on your mask, you have to create the little pleats right here so you can stretch the mask out, opposed to just sliding this across your face, because you'll still have a big opening on the side. So the crease helps you form it to your face. So you're going to fold down. I'm going to do that twice. Fold down. And it's going to be my crease. Then going to put a dot of glue. Fold down. Pull out my clothespins to help. A dot of glue. let that dry. Okay, this is the front side of the mask. You can open it out like that. But you have to remember to secure the back pleats too. So I'm going to do the back also. So this is the mask. So all you do is just tie these together, put them around your ears. Even though these strings are a little short, but this is for a smaller person, so. That's how you would do it. And the CDC recommends that if you can't find the filters, you can just use a coffee filter. Slide that in there and you're ready to go. Do them the same shape as the mask so it'll fit. So ideally I should have did two different fabrics so you would know which side is the front and which side is the back, but I did not. So in my future videos I'll remember that. So I'll just look at my ribbon. That's how I know what's the front and what's the back, because the ribbon is secured more to the front. So I know that's the front right here. Or either I'll just label it. I can get my label gun. Yeah, that's what I'll do. It's always more than one way to do things. Well, the label didn't work. That'll just fall off. So I just know to use two different type fabrics, so I know the front and the back. But anyway, this is how you make a mask. Stay tuned. I'll be doing a video on how to clean your mask according to the CDC. So thank you and have a nice day. This is Miss V. I'm going to continue to show you love, and I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you and have a nice day. Mask that was donated to our hospital, she has the same fabric. So what you do is just fold it. Keep it folded and you will know that this is the back. Yay! So I'm going to fold mine and take the filter out. So I'm going to fold it in. And you know that, you know which side is which. So that's how you will know. Same thing here. keep it folded. All right, that's going to conclude this video. Thank you and have a nice day.